Hello class 6 students, I am your maths teacher Nitin. In today's lecture, lecture 1, we will start with a new chapter, chapter 9, ratio and proportion. Okay? Now we will start a new chapter, ratio and proportion. Now what is ratio, students? What is ratio? Ratio means comparison. Ratio is comparison, students, between two same quantities. Okay? Now, what is same quantities means? For example, 7 kilometer and 21 kilometer. We have these two quantities and they are same. This is also kilometer and this is also kilometer. So when we compare two quantities, that means ratio. Okay? So what is ratio? Ratio is a comparison between two quantities, between two same quantities, students. Kilometer, kilometer. Okay? So quantities should be same. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये 7 किलोमीटर है और ये 21 मीटर है. No. They should be same. Okay? Now, one thing more, what ratio means? Ratio is division. Two things I told you. The first one, the ratio is comparison between two quantities, same quantities, and the second one is ratio is division. Now, how we will compare two quantities? One by one I will explain you. 7 and the 21. So we can write this as 7 upon 21. First one is written as numerator and the second one is written as denominator. So this becomes fraction. So 7 is the numerator and 21 is the denominator. Now 7 upon 21, this fraction is the, what is ratio? The ratio of the two quantities in the same unit is a fraction of one quantity to the other, right? Fraction of the one quantity to the other. So this is the ratio, students. Clear? Is it okay? So what is ratio? Ratio means comparison between two quantities and it is a division. Okay? Now we will talk about the unit of the ratio. So ratio has no unit. Unit of ratio. So ratio has no unit, students. Okay? 7 upon 21, that means 1 upon 3, 1:3 ratio aa gaya, students. Okay? And one thing more, the symbol of the ratio is these two column. When we put these two columns, that means ratio. It is the symbol of ratio, right? Clear hai? So unit of ratio, there is no unit of ratio. Always remember that, right? Now, simplest form of the ratio. Simplest form of ratio. Simplest form of ratio क्या होता है, students? For example, I have written 7 upon 21. So students, you can divide numerator and denominator by the same number. The ratio does not change. Okay? Likewise, you can also multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. The ratio does not change. Okay? Now see, 7 upon 21, that is, it is divided by 7 and this is also divided by 7. You get 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 is same as 7 upon 21. Ratio is same. Okay? So you are free to divide numerator and denominator by the same number. The value of the ratio does not change. Okay? So this is the simplest form now. So 1 upon 3 is the simplest form of 7 upon 21. Okay? Good. Now students, I will explain you with an example. find ratio between the weight of Ram 30 kg and weight of Shyam 35 kg. Okay, you have to find the ratio. Okay, now how we will, ratio means student division, as I told you. So how we will write them? We will write a fraction Ram is to Shyam. These two columns represents ratio. Now what is the weight of Ram? Weight of Ram is student 30 kg and that of Shyam is 35 kg, right? Now these both are same quantity, kg and kg. So okay, now how we will write them in ratio? Ratio means division. So ratio will be 30 upon 35. You can simplify it. It can be simplified in the simplest form. 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35. So 6 is to 7 is the ratio of the weight of Ram and Shyam. Clear है students? And it has no unit. हमको कोई unit नहीं लिखना है, हमको kg नहीं लिखना है, because ratio have no units. Okay, good. Now next example, find the ratio of each of the following. Find ratio. Okay, now the first one is 40 centimeter to 5 centimeter. 40 centimeter to 5 centimeter. Okay, this 40 will be written as numerator and this 5 will be written as denominator. Always remember, first number is written as numerator and the second number is written as denominator. Simplify it. It is going by 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, that is 8 is to 1 is the ratio of this value. Okay, second, 50 paisa to rupees 10. Second one is 50 paisa to rupees 10. Now see students, here it is 50 paisa and this is rupees 10. So they are not same quantity. So what you will do, first you will convert them into the same quantity. Either convert this 50 paisa into rupee or this 10 rupees into paisa. दोनों सेम होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट. सो आई विल कन्वर्ट रुपीज 10 इंटू पैसा, 50 पैसा टू 10 पीस, 10 इंटू 10 100. So this will be equal to 50 to 1000 paisa. This is paisa and this is also paisa, rupees 10. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 10 into 100 will be 1000 paisa. Now you find out the ratio. Ratio means division. 0 0, 5 1s are 5, 20. So 1 is to 20 is the ratio students. Okay, clear hai? Good. Now one more example students. Example is, the numbers are in the ratio 5 is to 3. Number are in ratio 5 is to 3. If the sum of the number is, sum is given 64, find number. Okay, so let the number be, we have given ratio, so we will change this ratio into number. So we will multiply this by any variable. Let's say we multiply this 5x by x and 3 by 3x. Same variables आपको multiply करना. Now that this ratio is converted into number and the sum of these two number is 64 student. So we will add these number and equal to 64. 8x is equal to 64. X is equal to 64 upon 8. 8. So value of x is 8. What is we have to find out the number. So our number are 5x, that is 5 into 8, that is 40, and 3x, that is 3 into 8 is equal to 24. So So this is our answer. Numbers are 40 and 24. Clear hai students? Now one more type of example, divide rupees. These are important beta, all these examples are important and many questions are based on these examples in your exercise. So do understand them carefully. Now divide rupees, one more example, you have to divide rupees 500 among Gaurav, Gopal and Abhishek. In which ratio? The ratio is 2:3:5. Okay, you have to divide rupees 500 in this ratio. So what we will do, students, we will add these ratios. You add them. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to how much? 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 is 9. Now Gaurav's ratios will be, Gaurav's share is equal to 2 upon 9 into the total. 2 upon 9 into total. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. Total is 10 students. This is 10. Okay. Now cancel out 10, 50. So Gaurav's share will be 5 2s are 50 2s are 100. So out of 500, Gaurav's share is rupees 100. Now the second one is Gopal. Gopal's share is 3. So we will write it 3 upon 10 into 500. Again 50 is equal to 150. So the share of Gopal is how much? It is 150. Now Abhishek's share. Abhishek's share is equal to 5 upon 10 into 500. Abhishek's share, students, 5 upon 10 into 500. 250. So he will get rupees 250 out of 500. So you divided 500 into 3 ratios, 2, 3 and 5. Gaurav's share is 100, Gopal's share is 150 and Abhishek's share is 250. Okay students? Good. Now student, one more example. Give 3 equivalent ratio of 5:3. We have to write 3 equivalent ratio 5:3. 5 upon 3, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. 2 upon 2 here, 10 upon 6. Now 5 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 3, that is 15 upon 9. 5 upon 3 multiply by 4 upon 4 is equal to 20 upon 12. So these 3 ratios, 10 upon 6, 15 upon 9 and 20 upon 12. These are the equivalent ratio of 5:3. Okay. If I simplify them, I will get the same ratio back. Good. Now come to exercise 9.1. Now students, I will take one more example of equivalent, how to find equivalent ratios. Okay, equivalent ratios. Now let's say 2:3. हमको ratio given है 2:3 and we have to find out 3 equivalent ratios. Okay, what we will do? we will write it like this: 2 upon 3 in a fraction form, right? Now multiplied by 2, numerator as well as denominator multiply by the same number. What you will get? You will get 4 upon 6. Now 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 3, you will get 6 upon 9. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 4, you will get 8 upon 12. So 3 equivalent ratios will be 4:6, second one is 6:9, and third one is 8:12. That's how you will find equivalent ratios. Okay. Now students, how to compare ratios. Now we will learn how to compare ratios. Compare ratio. Okay. Now with example I will explain you. Let's say we have two ratios, 7:8, and the second one is 3:4. Okay. Now you have to compare them. What you will do, you will write them in fraction form, 7/8 and this is 3/4, right? 7/8 and 3/4. Now first of all convert them into simplest form. Okay, convert them into simplest form. These fractions are already in the simplest form. Now take LCM of 8 and 4. Take LCM. So LCM is equal to 8, right? Now make their denominators equal. Okay. Now 7/8 multiply by 1/1, that is 7/8. Divide LCM by this number, you will get 1. Multiply numerator as well as denominator by 1, you will get 7/8. And the second number is 3/4. When you divide 8 by 4, you will get 2. 2 multiply numerator as well as denominator by 2, you will get 6/8. This is 6/8 and this is 7/8. So which one is greater? When denominators are equal, a fraction with bigger numerator is bigger. So you can easily check 7/8 is greater than 6/8. Right students? 7/8 is greater than 6/8. So 7/8 हमको कहाँ से मिला? 7/8. So ratio 7:8 is greater than 3:4. Okay students, that's how you will compare given ratios. Clear students? Now come to the exercise students. Okay, now come to exercise 9.1 student. Okay, find the ratios of the following. Question number 1, find ratio. Okay, now I will do the second part for you. B part, page number 115, exercise 9.1. 45 paisa to rupees 3. Now student, always remember both the values should be in the same quantity. Okay, same unit. Here it is paisa and here it is rupees. So convert them into same same units. Okay, 45 paisa to convert rupees 3 into paisa, it will become 300 paisa. Okay, why 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa? So 3 rupees will become 300 paisa. Now find their ratios. 45/100, फर्स्ट वैल्यू को एज ए न्यूमिनेटर रखेंगे, सेकंड वैल्यू एज ए डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई देम. हमको सिंपल फॉर्म में आंसर करना है. तो 5 9s are 45, 5 6s are 30, Again 3 3s are 9, 3. So 3:20 is your answer. Okay. Question number 1, second part I have done for you. Now come to G part student. G part again it is ratio आपको find out करना है 5 liter to 450 ml. Now again students convert liter into milliliter so that we have both the unit same. Okay, so 5 liter is equal to 5000 milliliter ml to 450 ml. Why? Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, so 5 liter will be equal to 5000 ml. Now find their ratios. The ratio will be 5000 upon 450, cancel out, it's going by 500 upon 9, so your ratio will be 100:9. Okay, this is your answer students. Clear? Good. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is compare each of the following pair of ratios. Compare करना है आपको student. Compare. One part I am doing for you. I will do the C part for you. C part. Okay. C part is 5:6, 5:6 and 3:5. This is the question. What we will do, we will write them in a fraction form. Right. Now step 2, we will take LCM. LCM of 6 and 5, it will be 30. Now we will make them like fraction. Multiply 30 by 6, you will get 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. And 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. Now again second number, 3 upon 5. Divide 30 by 5, you will get 6. Multiply upper as well as lower number by 6, you will get 18 upon 30. Now both of them become like fractions. Okay, 25 upon 30 and 18 upon 30. And you know that when the denominators are equal, when they are like fractions, then a fraction with bigger numerator is bigger. So 25 upon 30 is greater than 18 upon 30. Okay, now 25 upon 30 हमको कहाँ से मिला? 5 upon 6 से. So 5:6 is greater than 3:5. Clear students? Good. Do all other parts of question number 2 and question number 1 on your own. They are just like these we have discussed over here. Right? Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 students. Question number 3 is, in each year in 1997 Radha earned rupees. In a year 1997, in 1997 how much earning Radha has? Radha earned 1,50,000. How much? 1,50,000 rupees she earned in year 1997. Now, and saves how much? Saves 50,000. Saving कितना है students? Saves 50,000 rupees, right? Now the first part of the question is money. Now find the ratio of the money she earned to the money. Find the ratio that she earns to the money she saves, right? So earnings कितना है student? We have to find out the ratio between earning is to saving. Right? Earning कितना है student? 1,50,000 is to saving is how much? 50,000. Okay, 1,50,000 upon 50,000. Cancel out. 30 cancel out. 30 1 1 5 1 5. So our savings are in 3:1 ratio. Saving, earning to saving ratio is 3:1. Okay, this is your answer of the first part of question number 3. Now money that she saves to the money she spends. Now reverse ratio. how much she spends? She saves 50,000 and she spends how much? 1 lakh. Okay. Now the B part of the question, student, how much money she expend? सेविंग तो हमारा 50,000 है, तो एक्सपेंड कितना किया हमने? टोटल अर्निंग 1,50,000, सेविंग 50,000, तो स्पेंड हमने कितना किया स्टूडेंट? तो स्पेंड हमारा कितना हो गया? स्पेंड हो गया 1 लाख. ओके. सेविंग्स कितना है? सेविंग्स 50,000. ओके. नाउ द रेशियो वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. शी सेव्स टू द मनी शी स्पेंड. तो सेव इज टू स्पेंड, हमको रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. सेविंग कितनी है स्टूडेंट्स? 50,000. यू विल राइट 50,000 फर्स्ट. इज टू स्पेंड कितना गया? 1 लाख. नाउ रेशियो, यू नो दैट रेशियो मीन्स डिवीजन. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 5, 5 to 10. So 1:2 is your answer. Okay. The ratio between spend and saving is 1:2. She is spending. Ratio between saving and spending. Money that she saves. तो saving हमारा पहले आएगा. Save हमने कितना किया? 50,000. And spend. So this is the ratio between saving and spending. Okay. 1:2 is your answer. Clear, students? Good. Now come to question number 4, students. Question number 4, exercise 9.1. Divide rupees 624. Divide rupees, in fact 625. 625 between Ram and Shyam. Between Ram and Shyam in a ratio 2:3. Right? This is the question. You have 625 rupees and you have to divide 625 into 2 students, 2 boys, Ram and Shyam, in the ratio 2:3. What you will do, students? Add this ratio. First step, add this ratio. Okay. After adding, you get 5. Now, Ram share will be how much? Ram share 2. 2 upon total 5 into 625. Right? Cancel out. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. So, 250 is the share of Ram. Now, find out Shyam share. Shyam share is how much? Shyam share is equal to 3 है, तो 3 upon total 5 into 625. Again cancel out, you will get 125. Multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 and 7 and 375. So rupees 375 is the share of Shyam. If you want to cross check your answer, add these two values, you will get 625. Clear, students? Question number 4 is done for you. Come to question number 5. Question number 5. The number are in the ratio 2:7. Number हमारे पास किस रेशियो में है? 2:7. When ratio is given, आपको इसको नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है. Multiply both the ratio by x. तो नंबर आपके क्या आ जाएंगे? नंबर will be 2x and 7x. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? रेशियो को हमने किस में कन्वर्ट किया? नंबर में कन्वर्ट किया by multiplying variable x. Now he says the sum of the number is 81. Okay, sum of the number, that means 2x plus 7x is equal to 81. 9x is equal to 81. You will get the value of x, that will be 9. The value of x is 9. Find the number. It is very easy. Multiply 2 into x, that is 2 multiplied by 9. First number is 18 and the second number 7 into 9, that is 63. Okay, 18 and 63 is your answer. Clear, students? Question number 5 is done for you. Now question number 8, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are same as I have done earlier. Okay, question number 8 and 9 are similar to question number 3 which I did for you here. Now come to question number 10. Question number 10, you have to find out the equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. First one I am doing for you. You have to find out the equivalent ratios. It is very simple question. Write in the fraction form, multiply by same number, numerator as well as denominator, you will get 4 upon 6. So this is your first ratio. Second, again divide by, multiply by same number, 3 to the 6 upon 9. Third number, 4 upon 4, that is 8 upon 12. So these ratios, these fractions can be written as 4:6, second is 6:9, and third is 8:12. Okay, that's how you can find out the equivalent ratios of each of the following. Okay, you have to find out 4. I have done 3. One more you have to find out. So multiply by 5. 10 upon 15. So 10:15 is your fourth one. Okay, your exercise is completed, students. Do each and every question of your exercise neatly in your copy. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay, bye bye, take care.